Well, our Eagles playoff coverage continues now with a report from Don Pollock's World. Don was at a warm-up event today designed specifically for Eagles fans.
If you're one of the thousands of fans who's going to be driving up to the Meadowlands this weekend for the playoff game, this is the kind of car you want to be in. However, if your car looks like that, it can still serve to generate Eagles pride while working off some pre-game adrenaline.
Have the adrenaline flowing for this weekend, so what better way to just combine that adrenaline with a sledgehammer in the car?
One that is set to be crushed anyway beneath the wheels of a monster truck in the upcoming Monster Jam at the Spectrum, and was the perfect motivator for some energetic team spirit.
Go Birds! No better motivation to crush a car than painting it red, blue, and white.
It's a lot of fun.
Oh, it makes me feel good. It's wonderful.
It's not every day I get to swing a sledgehammer, so...
That's true, especially at somebody else's car.
Especially at someone else's car.
I'll take a whack.
Of course, who wouldn't? We absolutely take out our aggressions. It'll feel good.
A lot of anger in Philly, and it's going to be taken out on the Giants on Sunday.
And we got to take them down. Take them down. Start early.
We can't beat them on the field. At least we'll beat them in the collision shop.
We can beat them both. There's no problem.
E-A-G-A